All right, what's up, guys? So today I've got all this mint that I'm pretty sure is just gonna end up going bad. Oh, see, unless I feed it to my dog. Hey, enough, buddy, enough, buddy. So it's probably just gonna end up going bad because it's a lot of mint, and I don't use mint that often in a cocktail, buddy. So what I'm thinking, instead of wasting it, my dog's gonna steal a bunch of it, and then I'm gonna use the rest to make a creme de menthe, because there's no locally made creme de menthe, and I kind of do my locally thing, so I figured I'll use a vodka, like I always do, and I'll make a creme de menthe, right? It's it's literally just a mint liqueur, so I'm gonna do that with this, all right? Let's get into it. Alright, so the Grasshopper cocktail, it's like a sweet Alexander, like a mint chocolate Alexander, really. Mint liqueur, creme de cacao, so chocolate liqueur, and then heavy cream. Creamy, minty, chocolatey. You'd expect it to be amazing. It's just not my kind of cocktail. It's just kind of like it's the cocktail that it comes to mind immediately when I think creme de menthe. So that's why I whipped it up. I don't hate them. They're all right. It's just not my cocktail. As far as like the liqueur goes, the liqueur is pretty decent. It's not my favorite. I want to do it again. I just need to know what I did wrong. I want to know what I need to do to make it better. We'll put it that way. Okay, so what I did was I did 120 mils of vodka and a bunch of mint leaves, and then 120 grams of sugar with a bunch of mint leaves, and I'll let them both sit separately for 2 days. And then I turned the sugar into a simple syrup, so the mint simple syrup. I strained out all the mint leaves out of both of them, and then I put 10 bar spoons, like roughly 90 milliliters of the simple syrup into the vodka infusion, and mix that up, and then boom, you got yourself a mint liqueur. And like I said, like it's decent, but it can be far better than this. I want more of a fresh. I feel like you can get fresh into this, but I don't know how. So if anybody knows, any of you guys know, please put it in the comments. I want to try it again, and we'll see if we can make it any better. All right. But if you like these kind of videos, guys, hit that like button, subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comments, and I will be making more of them. All right. That's all for today. Cheers, guys.